Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, all right. Nice to see all of you, bete, in large number. So today we are here for second powerful breathing technique session on the behalf of all the children, all the parents, teachers, Bal Bharti School Management. I again welcome to Mr. Arjun Gaur for his time, precious time. He always believes that whatever God has given to him must be transferred to the society. So we are really lucky that he has given us his consent within no time. And I hope you all will be an active participant and will also follow his instruction. I equally welcome our honorable administrator, sir, who also given his precious time and he's us available with us here with his blessing. So not taking much of your time, I welcome Mr. Arjun Gaur. Stage is all yours, sir. Thank you so much.
Good morning. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you, your complete admin, your complete staff, and apart from that, welcome every child in this group because I know this session is very important for all of you, and especially when we are talking about stress every day. So definitely, you are having stress every day because of your study, because of your homework, because of your parents and teachers, everyone. But very important with the stress, how you will release it every day, that is also important. The same, you eat every day, you drink every day, same, you will have to release your stress every day, right? So release your stress is also should be part of your habit. The same, you are having your food, your lunch, your dinner, your breakfast, your evening snacks, the same, this is your morning snacks, right? So good
Good
morning,
morning,
beta, good
sir.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And I'm very happy
Good
to see
morning,
all of you
sir.
here. And it's
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Good morning. So very important. Whatever today I am going to deliver, you will focus every day, right? And even every morning, because morning is very beautiful. Even in Himachal is more beautiful, right? You are living in Himachal. It's a very beautiful place. So let's utilize this beautiful morning with beautiful habits, because beautiful habits is also very important for all of us. Without amazing habits, without good habits, we can't achieve our goal in our life. Some some children would like to become a doctor, some Indian Air Force, some engineers, some anything, but everything you can achieve when you are stress free, and you can release your stress by these exercises. So let's follow this today with me, and follow this with yourself from tomorrow as well, every morning. All right, are you ready, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Wonderful. Great. So let's start. First, जैसे आप बैठे हैं, लेट्स सेट रिलैक्स. अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, अकेले, जैसे भी हैं आप, रिलैक्स होके बैठिए. ठीक है. और अगर नींद आ रही है तो नींद को आने नहीं देना, ध्यान रखना, राइट? डोंट स्लीप इन दिस सेशन, राइट? लेट्स बी एक्टिव and take breath in from nose and breathe out from mouth 20 times. Let's do it with me. Breathe out from mouth. So when you will do breathe out from mouth, it will be go slowly, right? But when you will take breathe in, it will be very deep, like this. 2, do it with me. 3, close your eyes, then do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it very nicely. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold your breath. No inhale, no exhale. Hold your breath. I'm counting. Hold your breath. No inhale, no exhale. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Very good. You are doing good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale from mouth. Right? Next step. Let's do it once again with me. Same. 20 times. Breathe in and breathe out. So breathe in from nose, breathe out from mouth. Correct? Breathe in should be depth and breathe out should be slowly, slowly. Do it with me. Let's start. Actively do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your eye closed. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold on. Hold your breath. No inhale, no exhale. I am starting my count on 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale once again and hold your breath. Inhale from nose and hold your breath. Close your eyes. Feel relaxed. Hold your breath until I will not say. Hold your breath. Close your eyes. Hold your breath. You are doing fantastic. Feel your body. Hold out from mouth. Relax your body. Every child is doing very very good. I can see in my camera. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. And it's very good for your body, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
आज स्कूल है, छुट्टी है आप लोगों की.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Holiday.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Holiday.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next round हम करेंगे, right? This time माउथ से ब्रीथ इन लेंगे और माउथ से ब्रीथ आउट करेंगे. माउथ से ही ब्रीथ इन लेंगे और माउथ से ब्रीथ आउट करेंगे, लेकिन ओनली 10 टाइम्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट. ठीक है. ब्रीथ इन डीप लेंगे एंड ब्रीथ आउट मेरे साथ करेंगे. कूल. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. हनुमान जी को देखा था, एक सीरियल आता था हनुमान जी का, वो सबको अपने अंदर समा लेते थे मुंह से. ऐसे ही करना है बिल्कुल. नीना रेजिंग हैंड. यस नीना जी, वुड यू लाइक से समथिंग? नो. ओके. अगेन 10 टाइम्स विद मी. सेम, राइट? डू इट बच्चों. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. रिलैक्स. नाउ स्टैंड अप. खड़े हो जाइए आप सभी लोग. स्टैंड अप एट योर प्लेस. एवरी चाइल्ड प्लीज स्टैंड अप एट योर प्लेस. अपनी जगहों पे खड़े हो जाइए अच्छे से, रिलैक्स होके, कंफर्टेबली. I hope you all are comfortable. Let's make this session with more funning and more enjoyable. Let's do it. Both hand like this, right, and do like this, and breathe in, breathe out from nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. अपनी अपनी जगह खड़े रहिए जैसे खड़े हैं, बैठना नहीं है अभी. ठीक है, दोनों हाथों को पीछे लीजिए। ये स्कूल है नहीं है तो मैं सजा नहीं दे रहा हूं, आप चिंता मत करिए। दिस इज नॉट योर पनिशमेंट, दिस इज अ एक्सरसाइज फॉर योर बॉडी एंड योर हैप्पीनेस, राइट? सो इट्स नॉट पनिशमेंट। ब्रीथ इन लेनी है और होल्ड करके रखना है 15 सेकेंड विद मी। क्लोज योर आईज एंड होल्ड योर ब्रीथ। 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out from nose. अगेन ब्रीथिंग वापस ऐसे सेट करेंगे, यही वाला हम, राइट? हेड शुड बी अप लाइक दिस एंड this time 20 times. From nose breathe in and mouth breathe out. This last time what we have done, inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. This time inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. I am repeating, this time inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. And don't do cheating, right? I will catch in this camera. Don't do cheating. Do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax yourself. Now do it like this. Now inhale from nose, hold your breath and exhale also from nose this time. I'm counting from 1 to 15, right? Let's do it. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale from mouth. Relax and sit at your place. बैठ जाइए आप लोग. How are you feeling, everyone?
Sir, nice. Powerful. Fine, sir. Good.
Good. Good, good. Very important. Every day, always follow instruction of your parents, your teachers, right? And your every respected people around you, because very important when we follow instructions of our seniors, our parents, our teachers, right? Our family members, that will be helpful to make you a successful person in your life. Because if you wanted to become a successful person, so that you will have to follow so many things in your life, and especially your body is very important. So when your parent is saying wake up and ready for class, so don't do before class just 5 minutes you are उठ रहे हो आप लोग सिर्फ 5 मिनट पहले और क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो. Don't do that. Don't do this practice. So many children are doing this same thing in these days. You will have to wake up early morning. Doesn't matter your class at 7, 8, 9. You will have to wake up at 6 so that you can do your this breathing exercises, right? Even when you are doing breathing exercise, do it with your parents also. They should be also healthy. So every parents, those are here in camera. I request to you, आप खुद भी करिए और बच्चों को भी हर रोज एक्सरसाइज कराइए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अदरवाइज they will not follow. So initially you will have to take initiative. And teachers, as I have already mentioned in my last session, every day ask children कि उन्होंने ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज सुबह की कि नहीं की, क्योंकि ये उनकी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. और जैसा हम सभी लोगों को पता है, आप सभी पेरेंट्स को पता है कि कोविड की जो वेव थर्ड, जो तीसरी लहर आने वाली है, वो स्पेशली बच्चों पे इफेक्ट करेगी. ठीक है, तो अभी से ही अगर बच्चों का ऑक्सीजन लेवल हम सेट रखेंगे तो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा ये. और ये ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज से बढ़कर कोई भी चीज नहीं है ऑक्सीजन लेवल को सेट रखने के लिए, ऑक्सीजन लेवल को मेंटेन रखने के लिए. ये थर्ड वेव से फाइट करने के लिए अभी से ही हर बच्चा अपनी ब्रीथिंग को पावरफुल बनाए. हमें लड़ाई करनी है कोविड से, हमें डरना नहीं है. और लड़ाई कैसे होगी? जब हम एक्शन लेंगे. और एक्शन कैसे लेंगे? इस तरीके से जैसे आप अभी ले रहे हैं. बस ये करना है आपको हर रोज. ठीक है बच्चों, करोगे ना?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
गुड. अब मेरे साथ अगली थेरेपी करेंगे. राइट, नेक्स्ट, लेट्स डू नेक्स्ट थेरेपी. दोनों हाथों को यहां पे रखो अपनी चेस्ट पर, एकदम रिलैक्स. जस्ट ए मिनट. चेस्ट पर रखो. राइट, कीप इट हियर. ओके, क्लोज योर आईज and hold your breath. Take inhale from nose and hold your breath and exhale from mouth with me. Right, do it. Feel your heartbeat. Relax. Do it once again with me. रिलैक्स. 10 टाइम्स करेंगे हम लोग, मजा आएगा. इट्स अ फन. डू इट. थ्री, फोर, फाइव. हाथों को ऐसे करिए, हाथों को जोड़ के करिए. दोनों हाथ अलग अलग नहीं होंगे, हाथों को जोड़ के, जैसे मैंने करा हुआ है स्क्रीन पर देखिए. डू इट. फाइव, सिक्स, सेवन, एट, नाइन, 10. Now relax your body. Completely relax your body. आराम से बैठिए 2-5 सेकेंड. You don't need to do anything. Relax. आप जितने यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स हैं, I request to all parents, these exercises, I'm repeating actually, these exercises, you can't believe it's very important at this pandemic time, because we all knows, we are aware what happened in wave 2 of COVID, and this wave 3, our health ministry and complete WHO as well is saying it could be dangerous for children. So I request you all, right, don't wait for that wave 3 time and be prepared and let's make prepare your child, to fight from that situation. And this breathing exercise is very, 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 very important. If you are having a good breath, a healthy breath, and one is the benefit with all of you, you all are in Himachal, and pollution is very less, or I can say is very, very kind of minor pollution there. So you have a fresh air, fresh environment, and so many trees there, so many oxygen there. So let's have good breathe also, right? Will be beneficial for all of you. Let's do it next with me. Do it like this. अपने हाथों को शोल्डर पे रखिए दोनों. Keep your hand here. And let's have breathe in and breathe out with me, but in a fast way, right? We will inhale, breathe in from nose and exhale also from nose. No, 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 don't do like this. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. Just stable there. Don't do. Just stable there. Just stable there. Yes. And take breathe in, breathe out with me. Once again, do it with me. Let's do it. Correct? Now, because as we know, we have three parts in our body that helpful for our breathe, that is our stomach, our chest, our head, right? And these three parts should be synced together, right? Our stomach, जहां जब आप खाना खाते हो सभी बच्चे, तो खाना कहाँ जाता है? स्टमक में, राइट? उसके बाद चेस्ट, आपके दिल की धड़कने, आपका हार्ट बीट, चेस्ट बहुत जरूरी है. उसके बाद आपका हेड, ब्रेन, जो आपके हेल्पफुल होता है आपकी स्टडी में बहुत ज्यादा. और इन तीनों चीजों को एक्टिव रखने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये वाली एक्सरसाइज हर रोज करनी पड़ेगी, राइट? सो लेट्स डू इट विद मी. दोनों हाथों को ऐसे बंद करिए, सामने रखिए. यस. And with breathe in, so from nose you will have to inhale, and from mouth you will have to exhale. So when you will take inhale, right, so you will do like this. When you will exhale, you will have to open your hand like this, right? Inhale, close, and exhale, open, right? Do it. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. मुझे पता आप लोगों की मुट्ठी में कुछ नहीं है, मुट्ठियां खाली है. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 3 times more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Now repeat after me. I am feeling powerful. Say, I am feeling powerful. With your energy, I am feeling powerful. I am feeling powerful. I am feeling powerful. Okay, now this is you repeat it after me. Now you will have to say yourself, how are you feeling, everyone? How are you feeling here?
I'm feeling good.
Nice. Raise your both hand and say, I am feeling like that. How are you feeling, everyone?
Very good.
Now do one thing. Close your eyes for 2 minutes and relax with me. Close your eyes for 2 minutes and relax with me. Just 2 to 5 minutes. जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूंगा आंखें ऊपर मत करिएगा. Close your eyes and relax. Open your eyes. This session is not just a session. This session is beyond your imagination, because every child is contributing a very important role towards to our nation, towards to our society, towards to our school as well. And you all are individually a powerful person, because without your presence, without your positivity, we can't move. Even I can't move. Your teachers also can't move. Your parents also can't move. You all are very powerful, and we are more powerful every day when you will do this kind of breathing exercises every day at your home, and you will tell to your teachers, yes, I have done today, I have done it, and I am feeling more powerful, because your energy and your power is very important for your career and for your growth, right? So from tomorrow, let's continue it with your parents and tell to your teacher, I have done it today. I'm sure you all will do it. You all will do it, and you all will be rocking, right? So thank you so much. I am giving my this session next, Vinod sir, to you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vacho. Namaste.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes, dear children, all of you just listen for 1 minute now. Kindly sit straight, everyone. Sit straight, all of you. Yeah, it's really wonderful to see all the children. See, dear children, this session was otherwise from class 4 to class 9th. But it gave us a lot of pleasure to see even the junior most children here. Really, you are willing to learn, and that is the most important habit in you all. See, dear children, no problem is bigger than our willingness. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. The way Arjun God sir has said, that always try to give yourself a powerful affirmations. Powerful affirmation means that I am the champion, I am the leader, I am a great soul, I am a monitor. So that is called positive affirmations. Once you consume these positive affirmations, you are going to make your day excellent. So I hope this powerful yoga techniques, powerful breathing techniques was helpful to all the children, to all the parents. Was it excellent, bete? Was it powerful for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes,
hey.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so dear children, try to implement these powerful breathing techniques. As you see, life is very beautiful, gift of God. So try to implement, try to get up early in the morning, and at least try to give half an hour for yourself, so that you can start your day with most positivity. So once again, on the behalf of entire Bal Bharati fraternity, on the behalf of entire teachers team, parents and children and management, I once again thank to Mr. Arjun God for giving this powerful yoga techniques to our children. With this positive note, thank you so much to you, sir.
Thank you,
Grateful to
sir.
you,
Take care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Hello, bye bye, bye bye. You can leave now the stage.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great.
Bye, sir.
Great.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir.